So call up your IFA or your wealth manager, your pension fund manager, and ask them how much your pension's up over the last 12 months. Then ask them this question. Okay, why is it not up 44%? It's just an index. Why not? And wait for the excuses. And they may say you're being unreasonable. You're just cherry picking one of the best indices. It rarely does that. Yeah, really? Actually does it more often than you think. It's the NASDAQ, by the way. You should pick a more reasonable one, in which case say to them, well, what about the 500 largest American companies, household names like McDonald's and Microsoft? That's up 32%. And they'll say, well, that rarely happens. Actually, it happens quite frequently. Or they'll say, well, no, judge us on everything outside of America. Judge us on the emerging markets out of Vietnam over the next 50 years and don't bother us until then. They'll come up with variations of what I'm telling you. And that should worry you. It should worry you because it's your pension which is underperforming. It's your IFA who is essentially trying to say to you, give me your money for 10, 20, 30 years and stop asking me why we're underperforming. And there'll be people who continue making excuses, and there'll be people who want to make money. Depends which group you're in.